Hey everybody, Jason here. Got another winter day. It's not letting up. It started a couple hours ago and I got about 3 or 4 inches now. And I think we got another couple hours of snow, and then the freezing rain's supposed to come in on top of it, which should make it fun. And then after that, just rain, so then all this melts. So in one day we're gonna get 3 seasons pretty much, but that's Ohio. That's kind of used to it. Luckily I'm working from home today. Again, I just am blessed to have a job that gives me that ability to stay home when I need to on days like this and still work, so that'll be nice. But anyways, if you're out and about, be careful. I've got some word from some people here in Northeast Ohio that are out and about. The roads are bad and traffic's moving slow. So take your time, be safe, and have a great Wednesday, people. God bless.